Um, I am Jan Villott from Lynnewood, where I am the Social Justice Chair. But I want to tell you about a few years ago, I was invited to come into this space, and I was nervous. It was something that was so unknown to me. But I came in and met people and was welcomed. And then I joined a book group that had members from our community and members from the Muslim community and members just from the community in general. And then I started going to things like the Soul of My Soul exhibits. And I started going to the protest that was on First Street in Pleasanton by the farmers market. We brought pans and wooden spoons to bring attention to the atrocities in Palestine and in Gaza. Our church supports a Palestinian village called Wadi Fakin. But now MCC is not unknown to me. It's a welcoming place. I have made friends here that I know will show up for me when I call, and I will show up for them when they call. When I heard the news about what had happened in San Diego, my heart broke. It's broken, it still is. But I am grateful that I get to come here today to share in the grief that we all feel. But I wanted to read a bit of a spoken word. It is sad. It is so sad. Everyone is sad. 3 beautiful, noble, courageous lives are now in the memories of those who knew them. The rest of us shoulder some of the burden of carrying their pain. Our prayers, our actions and reactions, our choices matter. We must rise up against the river of hate that is flowing. Remember, the river of love is bigger and wider and more powerful. We need to be part of that river. When someone says something ignorant, we gently challenge their assumptions. When a brother or sister of color, of whatever color or faith or gender faces hate, stand beside them. It is our solidarity that will give us strength and numbers enough to turn the tide. Do not think your voice does not matter, for it does. Show up. Go into spaces that are new to you. Make a friend that looks different